To be fair, I'm only 13, so it's a while away, but this is vital information for starting a business.
I wanted to do this program because I've always wanted to go to university for business.
I think AI is evolving very quickly in our world, so I think it's important to learn more about it.
I'm Eric, I'm 13 years old, and I'm taking the Slingshot Venture program.
My name's Camille. I'm 14 and I'm doing the Venture Lab.
I'm Lovey. I'm 14 and I'm in the Slingshot AI Lab.
I've been interested in creating indie games. The first time I booted up a game engine, there were so many things and I had no idea how it worked. So I'm planning on making an app that can help you learn gradually. It's very different compared to the other ones in my class.
We're doing a hoodie business, and so the inside is going to be fully cotton, and then the inside of the hood is going to be silk. Most fast fashion brands use polyester for their materials. Polyester can take up to 200 years to decompose.
We've mainly focused on learning Python. Python is a coding language. There's a final showcase next Friday. We're doing a case study for a problem in the world, and we're supposed to use something with AI that can help solve this problem or improve it. We learned a lot about how AI can hallucinate and how it can give you facts that you think are real but aren't actually real. Technology is going to evolve so much, and AI is becoming a really big thing. And a lot of other people aren't as educated about AI as I am, so I can teach other people, or I can use that to help myself in the future.
Game development engines are complicated and overwhelming.
The mission of Indie Code is to help people who may be struggling with game development develop games.
The mission of Chillbright is to create an eco-friendly and affordable hoodie for other people, and it's cute.
So there were 5 different projects and each had an issue. So mine was about how small music artists were getting tons of comments and didn't know which ones were positive. We used Python to create a web page that would have all these comments, and then we used something called Sentiment AI, which would then test the sentiment of the comment, and that would create a tool for these music artists to use. I've definitely learned a lot, but also I'll definitely remember the AI, how it can be wrong, how I should always fact check whatever I get from the AI. I'll be definitely doing that now.
It's definitely harder than I thought it was going to be, but most of the successful businesses are people that didn't give up, just keep going and keep learning how to sell your business. Even if this business doesn't go far, we can still have the learnings to make another business when I'm older.
Slingshot is a stepping stone to just being able to make my own games and people like them. I just hope that it helps me on that path down in the future.